Hey ladies, it's Ashley with Melanin Beaute Boutique and it is Makeup Monday. Today we are covering up those early morning under eye bags. It's bags be gone. So stay tuned to see how I get this look. Covering up under eye bags is all about getting rid of the redness or whatever dark circle you may have under your eye, and then covering up that shadow, that line that's just under your face, just sitting there prominently. You want to get rid of that. So you're going to use a little bit of foundation to take away that discoloration. Then you're going to use concealer to kind of even things out and hide that shadow. You're going to set it with some powder. You're going to use a powder that is lighter than your skin tone, and that is pretty much going to, get in there and make it stay, kind of brighten the area a little bit to even it out. And then you want to use a powder that is your foundation to kind of bring the color back to your face and kind of blend it in. So stay tuned to see how I get this look. So right now I am all natural. I don't have anything at all on my face other than my moisturizing cream. So yeah, this is pretty much my face. So what I'm going to be doing is just covering my under eye bags today. That's all I'm focused on. It's going to be hot, humid today. I don't feel like wearing any makeup, so I'm not. So I'm just gonna focus on my bags here. So that you can get a good look at them. You can see the redness here, and then the line for the bags is here. So we all know that under eye bags can make you look really tired, can make you look like someone punched you in the eye. It really kind of makes your face look so much different because you look like you're so tired. So even though I'm not gonna put makeup on the rest of my face today, I'm just gonna focus on this under eye area and try to conceal it as much as possible. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with a little bit of foundation, which is gonna take this redness out here. And I only need a little bit. I'm using Lancome. It's my favorite foundation. A teeny bit on my hand. And this is, obviously my foundation is the same color as my skin. so that you can kind of tell the difference. So this is the eye with no concealer, no nothing, with the foundation on. So you can see how that looks. And then this is the eye covered up. So it's a major difference in the appearance and how it looks. So I'm just going to do the other eye. So as you can see, my bags aren't as pronounced as they were before. They're covered up. So that's all I'm doing today. I don't feel like putting on makeup. So it is what it is. So I hope that helps you guys. I don't know how you guys cover up your bags, but that's pretty much what I use if I have them. So drop some comments, let me know what you think, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button so that you can get all the daily updates. Leave us some comments, let us know what you think. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Melanin Beaute Boutique. Tune in on Saturdays where we do our live streaming, and you'll get the opportunity to interact with me and Talea on Business Savvy Saturdays. I will see you lovely ladies next time.